Instagram Reels has updated its editing layout, this making it easier for you to make and create Instagram Reels like the pros. And they've introduced a couple of new features that will really help when editing your Instagram Reels. In this video, I'll be covering off how to reorder your Instagram Reel clips, how to trim your Instagram Reel clips, and how to retake an Instagram Reel clip. I'm Ray, and this is the Simply Create YouTube channel where I focus on helping you get creative and supporting you with tutorials on how to make great short form videos. Hopefully, this new Reels edit layout and this tutorial will help. But do let me know what it is you're finding frustrating or difficult about creating Instagram Reels. Just leave me a comment so then I can respond and help by creating future tutorials. Okay, let me show you and talk you through how to edit your Instagram Reels. First of all, head into Instagram and record some of your videos so the pinky purple lines at the top appear. I'm going to do some of that now. Now, I was just messing around and I've just recorded a few bits and pieces. Once you've done that, hit the preview button, and this is where it gets a little different. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you now have edit clips. If you tap that, you can now see the new editing layout. So first of all, let's talk about trimming your clips. So if you select a clip by tapping on it, you can then trim it from the end or from the beginning to make it shorter and the timing exactly where you want it to. You can also delete the clip by hitting the delete button. And finally, you can do the retake, but we'll come back to that in just a minute. You can now reorder your clips. This is a new feature that's been introduced. To do this, you just tap and hold a clip. That's it. Now you can move any of these in any order you wish. So you can swap them around however you want to. Obviously, I've muddled up the numbers now. So we put 5, then we can go 4. And there we go, you get the picture. You can kind of move it around. And of course, from here, if you hit the white circle, you can also delete that. I'll press done. Now, the final feature that's been introduced is retake. And I think this is a great little feature. So what you need to do is tap on the one that you kind of want to re-record. So I will pick number 3. Let's just go for the middle one. Now here in the bottom left-hand corner, you have retake. If you hit that, it will take you back to your camera. And at the top here, if you see where I'm pointing, you can see it's left a little gap for you to record. Now, a little tip here, you can record the full amount or less, but you can't add in more video in that space. Okay, so let me record, I think it was number 2, number 3. Let me just record something else. Let's go. So it filled up that whole gap. Then we go back to preview, edit clips. So from here, once you've done your retake, if you click on the clip that you did the retake of, and you go down to the bottom left, you can see it says takes 2. If you hit on that, you can choose between take 1 or take 2, or you can add another take. So let's add one more take back to the camera. And this is where it gets even better. It doesn't get rid of the takes and overlap them. It actually allows you to see all the other takes that you've done. So if you tap on that clip that you did a retake of, go to retakes, you can see you can pick from take 1, take 2, take 3. And obviously you can hit the plus button and record more takes. Go back to the edit layout, you can watch it all the way through, see what it looks like. Once you've done your trimming, your reordering, your retakes, all you need to do is hit done. Let me know how you get on when editing your Instagram Reels. Feel free to tag me in any videos that you create. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to tappity tap tap that like button or subscribe if you aren't already. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Thank you for watching.